range of electronic and digital technologies to communities and cities. The second factor is the use of ICT to transform life and working environments within the city. The third factor is the embedding of such ICTs in government systems. And the last factor is the practices that brings ICTs and people together to enhance the innovation and knowledge. Now, in this case, mathematics plays an important role in digital transformation. Let us see which are the concepts of mathematics are playing an important role. Many mathematical concepts are used in ICT activities. Some of them are fast Fourier transformations for studying damage to bridges, dams, fracture gradient, etc. Walls transformations in medical systems. Near search algorithms using mathematics. Pattern recognition techniques, image processing using mathematics to detect criminals. Remote access through mathematical hashing. Many arithmetic problems are involved in designing smart city. The digital transformation as the inclusive technology, what I want to say. Introduction of the e-textiles, also known as smart garments and smart clothing, electronic textiles, smart textiles or smart fabrics, or fabrics that enable digital components including small computers and electronics to be embedded in them. Smart textiles are fabrics that have been developed with new technologies that provide added value to the wearing people. What makes smart fabrics revolutionary is that they have the ability to do many things that traditional fabrics cannot, including communicate, transform, conduct energy, and even grow. So, these are the facilities available with smart fabrics. The digital transformation in civil engineering, let us see. Smart building with smartphones, Internet of Technology, smart energy meters, solar energy capacitors, protection of environment and safety. So for all these purposes, the digital transformation is useful to convert an ordinary city as a small city in the case of the civil engineering. So this picture is giving you a smart city dealing with many number of things like data, the grid computing, and infrastructure initiative, and technology useful for the public, discussion theme, and so on and so forth. A traffic enforcement camera system consisting of a camera and a vehicle monitoring device is used to detect and identify vehicles disobeying a speed limit or some other road legal requirement. This, when you go to Dubai like place, Singapore like places, you can easily see this type of radar system catching the people who are violating traffic rules. Small cities need people lighting system with various lighting characteristics. For example, the lighting system in buildings or even different objects need specified color light and color temperature. In fact, an interplay needs to be produced between lighting, architecture, and quality of life with high level of efficiency, and many other factors make LED lighting systems suitable for these smart cities. Now, smart cities will have intelligent buildings. That means the buildings with intelligence. Normally we see intelligent people, but we see here intelligent buildings. Better construction materials, transportation, and wastewater management, rainwater harvesting. These all the things are possible. Smart diamonds to define smart city. It is looking like a diamond, but it is defining what are the facilities needed for a smart city. Smart governance is needed, smart energy, smart building, smart mobility, smart infrastructure, smart technology, smart healthcare, smart citizen. So these all the factors, they comprise the definition of smart city. It has not only a few hours of water supply a day or electricity that goes off for several hours or streets littered with garbage. The general appearance of the city has to be pleasing and clean. So this is the figure, what you are seeing. So here the cleaning is very, very necessary in the case of the smart city. And what are the environment and natural resources? The weather track solution and weather stations will be there, smart controller will be there, climate IQ will be there, and weather track central internet service. So these all the things are included in the smart city development. Next, let us talk about smart grid and energy. Smart grid. Already we know that grid computing and the facilities are available in different places, and for our application we are using different systems for grid computing. Here in a very smart way, the smart grid is used and the energy applications are used as described in this picture, like the generation and transmission, distribution and consumption. Look at this figure here. Here the PV modules are there, generator and load, regulation and conversion is there, wind turbine is there, battery bank is there. So here energy is through wind turbine, we are getting it, and it is using the conservation of the energy. This energy is stored in the battery and it is utilized for many other purposes. Smart electricity, it deals with your again smart grid applications. Smart roads to change the electric cars actually. And if you look at this, a transmission line is there, generation plant is there, substation will be there, distribution systems, all in a very smart way designed. Finally, it comes to the end user. The normal lighting which we are using in streets consumes more electricity. In country like India, shortage of electricity is higher level. So in rural level, in rural area, we should think about the induction loop traffic sensors. Look at this figure. It is also the part of the smart city development actually, and this figure is very, very user friendly. You can straight away understand what it is. And the smart buildings and smart society, smart car, smart factory, everything is smart. Smart house, smart grid, everything. If you look at this, here you find that the smart building, and smart school is there, smart store is there, book is there, map is there, movie is there, internet is there. And here what exactly you mean that smart school? And with the help of the internet of technology, you can study in the school. With the help of the IoT technology, smart stores, whatever you want, you can purchase and it will come to your house like that. And a smart factory, that is also there. So with these facilities, the smart city development is done. If you look at, this is a global view of the smart city, and it contains smart building and all whatever the factors we discussed. And if you look at that, everything is composed here. So it is the smart city development with the help of the IoT technology. So IoT as part of digital transformation, it plays a very, very important role. Futures of net zero home. Again, if you look at here, in this case, and this is totally a smart house actually. You have a panel on the top, and from the panel you are getting the energy, and that energy is utilized for various purposes, and efficient lighting it is used, and double insulation is possible, energy management is possible, heat pump is possible, and so on and so forth. That is why we say that net zero home. That means you are taking use of the natural effect of the facilities available, and that the same thing is utilized, so that net zero home, that means you are not wasting money. And smart cities, if you look at again here, it will give you a various facilities. The consistent water supply is possible, and safe and prosperous citizens are available, thriving economy is there, efficient buildings are there, and sustainable environment is there, healthy citizens are there, and reduce the crime here, because everything is caught through internet of technology. Enabling policies is possible, support the aging population and lifelong learning and sustainable energy, high speed connectivity for business and citizens, that is the internet, and dependable transportation and consistent water supply. So with these things, what is happening? Happy, safe and healthy citizens, and smarter utility services are possible, and smarter government services are there, innovative and thriving enterprises are there. With all these things, it becomes a kind of unifying version. Now, the fabric optic broadband in your business, it is possible here. If you look at CCTV is there, and that remote back is there, and virtual server is there, so on and so forth. This is all part of the internet of technology, using digital transformation in developing the smart city. Look at this, it is a kind of a Dubai-like city, or you can also say a similar view in Singapore. They are all well planned in the form of the smart city. And smart home, it consists of many things actually. By setting the home, you can find out whether the door, from your phone you can find out whether your house is locked or not, whether any lights is on, you want to switch off, you can do that, and you want to purchase some items, you want to arrange any transportation, you can do, whether water is, tap is working somewhere, if it is not there, anywhere any leakage is there, everything you can find out with the help of the mobile technology using digital transformation. So that is what we say, this home is nothing but the smart home. And so this overall I have given you a kind of concept how to develop smart home with the help of the digital transformation using the technology, namely Internet of Technology. Thank you very much. If you got any questions, you can ask me and we will discuss the remaining time. And if you have got more concept comes to your mind in the latest stage, you can always be in touch with me through email Dr.S.Sridhar@yahoo.com. And I am the ex-Vice Chancellor of Dr. K.N. Modi University and presently President and CEO of sbytechnologies.com. Thank you very much.